Do you know what happens after your funeral? In a few short hours, the crying will die down and your family will be busy making arrangements for food or drink. Some of your friends and relatives will start discussing current affairs over coffee. Others will call your family saying that they couldn't make it in person due to an emergency. Your employer will begin to search for your replacement, and in a few days, your kids will go back to school or work because their bereavement leave has ended. In a month, your spouse will be watching a comedy or TV show, laughing as if you were never there. You'll be forgotten at such an astonishing pace. And if people will forget you so easily, then who are you living your life for? You spent your whole life concerned about what other people will think about you, when in reality, nobody even cares. So live your life to please your Creator, because He's the one you're going back to.